today I'm making a video with my cousin Justice. Today we're making slime and we're going to use a couple ingredients. It's time to slime day. Yep. Okay, let's move these colors. Yeah.
Be careful.
Here you go. It's yours. What happens if you get it on your fingers?
You just gotta wash your hands.
Okay.
Okay, put a couple drops inside your bowl.
Okay.
All right, I think that's enough.
Yep.
Now here comes the glue.
Here's the glue. I'm gonna pour mine first. Are you gonna? Yep, I'm gonna pour yours in.
He can pour his own.
I got purple slime. I'm gonna get. I got wood. Yellow. Look at the slime. This slime. It's so drippy. Let's add some glitter. Let me add my glitter first. Whoa. Get all the glitter in. It's glitter lit. Wait. Get it all over my slime. Okay.
Let your cousin get some. That's it, Dutch.
I wanted to cover my. Uh-oh. We got some on the table. Cool. After you get it on there, you have to stir it up. Enough. 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 Okay. Now we're going to stir it up. Whoa. Look at it. We're going to keep on mixing until it turns into slime. Let me add a little more. We're adding a little more. Okay. I'm just getting slimy here. No such thing as too much glitter. Whoa, look at all that slime beginning. See my slime? It's dripping down. I'm gonna mix. I didn't know mine would turn out purple. And I took the best color. Look at mine. So now we're going to add some borax and water solution. And do you know, but we can't do some.
Dip your cup inside.
If we do a lot, it won't work good. So we're probably going to do it way. Okay.
Okay, Justice, let Justice do his.
Put it in there. I know. Enough. You can't get it all the way out. Ugh.
Pour it in. Yep, pour a little bit at a time. Now stir it up.
Now we're just going to stir it up. Wait. Don't forget to come to the glitter powder. I need a whip in there.
Stir.
You got to keep on stirring. If you want it to be slime, then you got to keep stirring.
Sit on your bottoms.
See the slime, guys?
Keep stirring.
Now my spoon is purple. I'm going to add a little more borax and water, guys, because this is not slime yet. I'm going to get some more. Pour a little bit at a time. Okay. Just pour a little bit. First, you got to pour a little bit. Don't pour all of it or else it won't turn into slime. So you got to always pour a little bit. And then you got to feel it to see if it's almost slime. Pick it up and fill it.
Stir it first.
That's more. Ugh. It's good. There's slime in it, but it's sticky. It's sticky. Mine is ready, guys. It's sticky when you touch it. It's a kind of messy. It's glitter slime. It's messy, but that's okay. It's messy. It's glitter slime. That you can wash your hands again. Everybody is at the radio thing, so we decided to put in the back for a second. So we were playing with them for a second, so we can play with them again. Now your turn. So guys, this was a really fun video, and this glitter is really. This is a really fun slime glitter, and it's really sticky. Mine is really soft, and his is soft. Don't forget to subscribe, and give a big thumbs up if you like this channel. Bye. Is a gift expression just as bad to go bye-bye, but that's okay. What are you saying? Bye-bye. Bye, guys. Bye.